So what you are going to be learning? Well, you're going to learn what is Django. So an overview what this thing called Django is. Okay, what is a framework? We need to understand very quickly what a framework is, so we hopefully can see the benefits of using frameworks such as the Django framework. And also how's Django used in the world, as well as looking again at projects versus apps in Django. And of course, I want to also just do a quick overview, crash course real quick on how the web works, because that's going to be fundamental at understanding the back end as well as the front end development. Okay, now let's look at what is a framework. Now, a framework is a set of tools that allows developers to be very efficient at building applications, right? So it's just a set of tools, libraries, conventions, and many other things that are packaged up into a software that developers can actually use to build applications, to solve common problems when building applications. So frameworks are very powerful and important, especially for us developers, because it abstracts out all of the complexity when it comes to getting set up and have a framework, essentially all the tools and libraries to be able to build applications fast. Now, what is Django? Django is a web framework for rapid development. The idea is that you build applications really fast, securely, and scalably. As we keep going through this course, you will really see the power of Django and really how fast it allows developers to put together a web application. And teams, for that matter, be able to do rapid development when it comes to building strong, secure, scalable applications. The reason why Django is very popular is because, again, it allows developers to build apps and backends really fast. The reason being is because it has lots of built-in features that we don't have to come up with as developers. It has this ORM. We will talk about ORM, which essentially allows us to not have to deal with SQL, tables, databases. We can actually use objects, Python objects, to interact with databases and so forth. Django also has this template engine that allows us to create tags and templates which will be served to the user so they can interact with. So essentially a way for us to extract data from the back end and then show that to user using the template engine. It also provides authentication right there without us having to do much. So again, all of these things you will see as we progress in this course. Django is also trusted by big companies. So Pinterest, Instagram, Mozilla, and many other companies use Django fully or in part in their big enterprise applications. So that just tells you that Django is indeed a very powerful framework.